Deutsche Bank X-Tracker EU is a Rand-based JSE-listed instrument which tracks the Dow Jones Euro STOXX 50 index. It reflects the performance of the euro and the underlying performance of the 50 largest, most liquid blue-chip stocks from countries within the Eurozone, excluding the UK. It has a market cap of 366 million rand. Come on, surely this is a better story now.
Well, it's important what you noted there. So this is the Eurozone, right? This is countries that operate within the Eurozone. So definitely the UK is not there. And I think if I stand corrected, there are one or two of the Scandinavian countries which are not. If you look at the underlying stocks we're talking about here, you're talking about Deutsche Bank, BNP Paribas, you're talking about...
Oh, nice banking exposure.
The German chemicals companies like Bayer and BASF. You're talking about the French Telecom, as well as, you know, all the Telefonica from Spain and so on. So those big European giants, you know, there are some damn good companies in amongst that lot, but at the moment the Eurozone is under a bit of a cloud.
Well, that's the understatement of the year. The Eurozone at the moment is under a little bit of a cloud.
Yeah.
Could be a little drizzle coming down from here.
Yeah, that being said, they've fallen quite nicely. Soon maybe we might be seeing a point at which value managers will be looking at the European market and saying there is real value here. Some of the things have come down so much that you could possibly find value here.
Are we not there yet?
We could possibly be there right now. But I mean, we still got very major uncertain events coming forward, especially in, you know, the Greek election coming in about a week's time. And that's going to be a major impact on, or have a major impact on the global, on the situation in Europe, as well as what on earth is going to happen with those Spanish banks. People are talking about a possible run on Spanish banks, etc. And those are kind of things that are going to be very negative for this particular index.
A run on the Spanish banks. Is that a reality?
No, look, I am of the view that the Eurozone is going to be absolutely fine, that no one's going to fall out, least of all the Greeks, and that the Germans will do eventually what they need to do in order to support that thing, because they've been the major beneficiary of the way that the euro is processed. So anyone falling out is like somebody volunteering to leave the Super 15. Don't worry, we'll go, you know. It's ridiculous. Everybody wants to be part of the first division, and everybody will stay there once they've gotten over their madnesses and their elections.
How long is it going to take them to get over their madnesses, though?
Look, the companies themselves are actually doing quite well. The Eurozone is experiencing very slow, but notwithstanding that, positive growth. And I think that will accelerate, and then in due course, all these issues will go away. The fact is, though, this thing is giving you the Rand euro, and the Rand is a much more volatile thing, and it has to do with global risk on, risk off, emerging market currencies. So I think the underlying thing's not doing anything. What's doing the moving here is the Rand.
The DBX EURO, hot or not?
Not hot.
Not hot, DBX EURO, not hot.